Hi, my name is Ben Spencer. I am the middle school assistant principal and director. I love working at the PHA Middle School. And I think one of the things that makes us special is our sense of community. We have a very tight-knit community at the middle school. Our teachers and educators care deeply about students' success. Our families are highly engaged and promoting our students' success. And our leaders are here for our students' success and trying to support them in every way that we can. One way that really happens is through our advisory, where students have a small group that meets every day for 30 minutes to build community together, to have their voices heard by their peers, to listen to their peers, to have fun together. And that's one of our most important aspects of our day in the middle school. And then in our classrooms, our teachers work very hard to create lessons and projects that engage students and make them see relevance between what they're doing in school and their own lives and interests.
The thing I like most about being in 8th grade at PHA is how in class there's different perspectives and you could always hear from other people and it's inclusive. The teachers here are very, very, very supportive. If you need help, just reach out to them. They could always help you. We also have this thing called office hours, and each day it's Monday, Tuesday, Friday, or whatever day works out for the teacher. And if you need help with like a project or anything, any type of work, they'll help you.
If you don't know, DEAR means drop everything and read. Drop everything and read. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's just 30 minutes. It's quiet and you read.
In the middle school, my favorite class is probably math because it's always been kind of fun and easy to me, and the teacher makes it really exciting and fun.
And my favorite class in middle school is probably going to be science because the science teacher makes the lessons really interactive and the project's really fun, and she gives us all the resources and materials we need in order to understand the unit. Like, for example, there was a copper and silver nitrate experiment where we actually experimented with real copper and silver nitrate, and we ended up making silver, which was really cool. Some things I like about the middle school as well is the clubs here are really nice. Like, for example, there's engineering, student council, there's food club where you can learn how to bake, student council where you can make fun events for 8th graders and 7th graders, and then also engineering where you can build stuff. And there's also like different clubs for people with different interests, so people can like explore what they really like and what they want to pursue in the future.
One thing we're really working on in the middle school is developing lots of high interest and high challenge projects for our students to engage in. So a couple examples are in 8th grade humanities. We have students doing a long research project in which they think about one way in which harm exists in the world, some ways that people have tried to respond to that, and then propose their best solution to create healing in response to that harm. In 7th grade science, we have an alternative energy fair in which students study one form of alternative energy and then create a model in which that alternative energy could be used in their communities to benefit people as well as the environment. So those are a couple projects where students really get to use a lot of choice. They get to see a lot of connection to their own personal lives and communities, and they get to collaborate with their peers to create something that they feel really proud of and then demonstrate that to their community.